His front lip cracked anyways already.
I'm out here with my cousin. He always called me his friend, but I'm his cousin.
Big bro.
I'm the big bro.
Put on the.
That shit is the little light.
Yeah, but now this is clean.
But everybody has that.
It's gonna look way good, way better, way good, way good. No man. Yeah, it's gonna look clean.
And with the Mustang.
With the what? And we're using the IS already as a workbench. Y'all probably gonna get this video before y'all get an update on that shit, cause we waiting on parts for that shit. So y'all just bear. Do it. All right, we're gonna start getting this stock diffuser off.
Look, I was already.
This is gonna be pre BBL right here. Big sheesh.
Bro, $300 for this.
For just tips?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, these are gonna look hella clean. It's gonna be the before and the after. These are gonna look hella clean. Should be an AERO there.
Huh? You don't have any more.
Alright, we back at it with my boy Angel. This is like 2 weeks after. So that diffuser we installed. Come on. So yeah, that diffuser we ended up installing and the clips y'all just seen flew off on the freeway. They flew off on the freeway. So he bought another one right away and he already installed himself and the exhaust tips. So look under here. So you see, he installed the exhaust tips. He took off the carbon inlays it had and also installed the diffuser. You already seen that, but this is the second one. And then right now we're about to install carbon front lip because he had 20 other lips and he doesn't know how to drive. But it's okay because he has money to keep buying lips every time. But this is a 1-piece lip and the ones he's been getting are 3-piece, so it should last longer. To be honest, bro, I ain't gonna lie, me personally, I need this one. Hold on, let me pick it up real quick. It's like hard 32. Me personally though, I don't see nothing wrong with this lip. It still look good. I think it looks fine.
Oh, it's not even.
Really? Can I rip it?
Whatever.
Sorry. Shit out of here, boy. I got that trash ass one off. I mean, we're gonna go ahead and start this new front one. The new front lip with the rear diffuser. Dude, I'm telling you, the no wing in the rear looks fire. Think so? Oh yeah, it looks better with the wing. Way better with the wing. Yeah, shit looks good. Yeah, so diffuser, tips. He's gonna throw back the wing.
I need to wash my wig.
Front lip, and he's gonna wash it. But shit, other than that, that's pretty much it. Y'all fuck with this build, make sure y'all go type on my boy. I'll put his Instagram right here. We just pulling out to Cars and Coffee right now. Look like it's pretty busy. Pretty good turnout. This is usually the site where they sell Hot Wheels and shit. One of my dream cars. What, Evo? Yeah, Evo 8 or Evo 9. Yeah. Why what? Huh? What do you, this one?
Oh, this one?
Yes. What do you mean why? These things are just sexy. I was thinking of doing a brown like that on the Lexus. Is that brown or not? Shit is wet. That carbon in the sun right now is hidden. What are these? Oh, they're fire. Shit is gas. That's right. This purple's wet. Yes, sir. Good for us. See them for the gram, for the gram. Alright, get out my picture, homie. You got to. Shit, sadly we didn't bring none of the whips today, but it's all good though. Sometimes you just gotta enjoy it, you feel me? Good G. Sedan. Huh? I think one of the homies used to own this one. Damn, it's popping today. Damn, today should have been the day we outside, bruh. It's all good. We still outside. Porsche. Another Evo. They're all-wheel drive, bro. All four freaking street slicks. Damn, this bike is nice. Over there too. Bro, I'm telling you, white Evo one day, I'm telling you. You can't go wrong. Yeah. Shit's wet. That's an older Evo, man. That's an older gen. That is an older gen. I think that's an Evo 6. I believe. Damn, another Supra. Bro, I'm telling you, today is popping. Clean as 86. R34 right here? This motherfucker's gas. Bro, this dream car right here. Huh? What is this? Huh? Yes, it is R34. Literally perfect. Silver RPF ones. This thing is so sexy. I don't know if this is a do another Evo. It's calling my name. It's calling my name. Bro, white wheels, you can never go wrong. Then this shit got ITBs too. In the video thought about this, yeah? But he still has an intake connected right there? Damn, bro, this thing is fucking mint. Damn. Bro, this thing is fucking wet. Good S14. This is green on the IS?
Dude, I can't wait.
This is green on the IS?
Don't like fully green.
It like changes colors on the position.
This is gas. Oh, that's like a flake or yeah, it's like a flake. That's just clean. Subi is fucking mint. The yellow Recaros. Shit is sick. Huh? The interior is fire, huh? With the roll bar, the matching door panels with the seats. And this thing is clean. Full Varus kit. This thing is, bro, perfect. It's literally perfect. Fuck it, let's just try to get as much footage as we can while we're here. Dude, look at that shit. It's so mint. Come on, Pa. This? It's 1,000 on Meisters. I like this green, the Midori green. Another R32. There's a right-hand drive hatch, silver. Big static guy. I said I feel like I didn't get that yellow Type R. Shit is wet. Dude, this makes me miss the freaking RSX every time I see one.
What do you putting on?
What? I don't have the RSX no more. Come on. We sold it. I have the IS300 now, the Lexus, remember?
Oh yeah.
We sold that shit. Alright. Waiting on control arms, suspension parts, but let's go see these flybys real quick. Give some action before we dip to some more action. Come on, come on. What the fuck? I did not expect that shit. Big static guy. Another one. People, yeah. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Hopefully I enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe.